Okay, now I will install the exhaust system. Should not take too long. If I remember correctly, it should go from the headers back. This spring is a better fit. Not sure where that one was used before. Perfect. Okay. Exhaust is all installed. Okay, next I will be installing the battery and finishing all the electronics. Connecting the main fuse, grounds, everything in the battery tray. Okay, battery's strapped down, everything is grounded, battery's wired, wiring harness is all connected, pretty much everything electrical except for the ECU, quick shifter, some sensors, tip over sensor and gauge cluster, but everything else is all connected. I think I'll call it a night, edit some video.